If you're not careful, modifying your car on a budget can go south fast, and your interior may start to look like the dude that started super gluing a ton of Happy Meal toys to his dash to add his personal touch. So in this video, I'll be showing you the top 7 tasteful interior mods that you can do for under 50 bucks. Coming in at number 7, we have interior wrap. You can buy full kits for your whole interior. They can cover all the cheap looking silver bits in the interior shown here on this Subaru. As you can see, it doesn't have to be carbon fiber. It can be something like brushed aluminum, anything different, any color basically. Some colors definitely look more tacky than others, so I would recommend not doing red or something bright. It can definitely add a nice touch to the interior, and I think this is a great starting budget option to transform your interior. Moving on to number 6, we have LEDs. So I'm going to group a few different versions together here, but we're going to start with a footwell LED kit. You can get these for around $20. They're super easy to install. You can plug them into the 12-volt port that you have in your car. Makes the interior a lot more fun and enjoyable to be in. And then we have some LED dome lights along with the other stock lights that you have in your interior. The stock yellow bulbs that come from factory really dull down the mood of the interior. And just for a few bucks, swapping these out for white LED bulbs, you'll notice a massive difference. Just be careful not to choose LEDs other than white for this. It might be neat at first, but if you choose something like blue or red, you'll kind of get over it pretty fast, and I think it looks a little bit tacky. And for the last LED option, we have the ever so sought after Starry Night headliner. Believe it or not, you can do this for around 50 bucks. You can find the kit on Amazon. The job on this is a little bit more extensive, but to have the feel of a Rolls Royce for around 50 bucks and a fun weekend install with some friends, I'd say it's definitely worth it. Moving on to number 5, we have floor mats. Where your feet sit makes a big difference, in my opinion. You want something to, kind of look nice and maybe kill 2 birds with 1 stone, covering some stains that you couldn't get out. Some new floor mats are definitely a great option. I think everyone should invest in a good set of floor mats. You can get some cheap rubber mats. You can get some customized floor mats. You can get some cool looking JDM checkered floor mats, or you can get a baller set of diamond stitch floor mats, and they all start around 50 bucks. Okay, coming in at number 4 is seat covers. Whether your seats look like this, or if they're in good condition and you want to preserve them, or if you just want to switch up the look of your seats for a budget, a good seat cover is almost always your answer. So you can get something, you can get something, there's a decent amount of good budget options out there that can definitely transform the look of your seats. Moving on to number 3 is gauges. For any of you guys with a Spoolie Boy 1, or even if you have 8, it doesn't matter, a digital or vacuum actuated boost gauge is a great budget addition to the interior of your car. Not only is it practical, but it looks super cool. A ton of companies make an attachment for you to put it into a vent, which looks super sick, or they make pillar mounts. I linked a great option from Amazon here for you guys to check out for under $50. Now, on to number 2 is upgraded paddle shifters, something that a lot of people might overlook. But obviously, if your car does not have these, skip this. But if your car is automatic with paddle shifters, like some auto Lexuses, BMWs, GTIs, and Mustangs, and some others, of course, you can upgrade your paddle shifters. Some options replace the stock paddle shifter, and some clip onto the paddle and extend it. Either way, you can get them in different colors like red, carbon fiber. It definitely adds an awesome look and feel to the car, makes it look a little bit more expensive, and shifting while turning is that much easier as well. All around a great budget option that definitely increases the appearance of the interior. And finally, coming in at number 1, the best budget mod that you can do to your car, in my opinion, is a steering wheel wrap. That's right, if your wheel looks something like these, or if you want to transform the look of your wheel, you can buy a complete kit to transform your steering wheel like you see here. It's a simple afternoon project that anyone can do. I did mine on my Fiesta. I think it turned out super sick. I think this is a great addition. For me, touch points in the car need to feel nice, they need to look good, and that makes a huge difference. So overall, for the budget and for the looks, I think this is a great option, and this comes in at number 1. For a more budget option, you get a cheaper cover, something like this. Something like this does the job. I'm not sure how this got in there. Something that's clean. It covers over a crappy steering wheel really nicely, and of course, it's a great budget option. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Feel free to check out my other video, Top 5 Budget Mods for Your Car. If you enjoyed this one, drop a like, hit that subscribe button for more videos for the budget-minded car enthusiast.